Hi there. So today I'm here to talk about this. This is a large socket, 1/2 inch metric set that I had bought specifically for my 2004 Chevy Silverado. I'm going to be checking out this nut. It was recently replaced and I just want to make sure it's nice and tight. So what you have inside of here is a bunch of different sockets, and these are impact sockets. They have the special chromium, I forget the exact name, but you'll see it in the description. These are heavy duty. I cannot explain to you exactly how heavy these are. And again, they are 1/2 inch. So you either need to have an adapter to get up to 1/2 inch or use a 1/2 inch. I'm going to be using an impact gun. So the nut I'm actually going to be taking off is a 36. This has the 27, 29, 30, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 38, and 41, which is actually kind of funny. I need to use on the engine crank pulley. So I'll be using that later at some point in time also. I'm going to go ahead and put this down because this is literally really heavy. And so let's go ahead and use this bad boy. Like I said, I'm going to be using the 36, and you can see they have nice letters written on them. It looks like they're silk screened on, I'm guessing. It doesn't feel like they're etched in. Just so you know that. All right, let's give it a whirl. See if she comes off. All right. That bad boy is on there. But you can see that thing is just taking its time and actually just beating the heck out of that. And what's nice about these is that they are really heavy. And if you know anything about impact sockets or these type of heavy sockets, especially if you have an impact gun, I think that my air compressor is just not big enough to be able to push the amount of power I need with this. So I'll be able to get it off with a breaker bar, but at least you can see these things are beefy and just amazing. So if you have something that you need for these bigger size nuts, check these out. It is a solid set of sizes that you might need for a lot of different applications. So check them out. You will not be disappointed.